Yeah, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to embed Google Map into your HTML CSS website. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Google. Then I want to embed a King's College Google Maps on my website. King's College Lagos Google Map, the address on my website. So when you get to this place on Google, you go to the right hand side and click on directions. So you wait for it to load. The internet is quite slow. Okay, this is the direction for King's College. That's the Google Map for King's College Lagos. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this three parallel line hamburger icon. So I'll click it. Then when you click it, you locate share or embed map. I'll click that. So I've clicked it. Let me click. Okay. So when you click it, it will open you this modal box. So click on embed a map. Now after clicking on the embed map, you click on copy link. Sorry, click on the embed map. Then you click on copy HTML. It will give you the iframe, which you are seeing on the screen. So you copy the HTML. So I've just copied the HTML. So I'll go dump it in my Visual Studio Code. So let me come here and just say H1. Let me say King's College map. King's College Lagos map. Google Map. So I'll come here and paste that here. So I've just done that. You can see that already on your screen. This is the code. I just paste the iframe source. The width, you can as well increase the width. So you can as well increase the width. Let me just leave it for now. Later I'll increase it. Sorry. So I'll save this, Ctrl S, then go to the browser to see if our Google Map has been embedded into our website. So I'll come here and I'll paste this. So make sure you are connected to the internet so you can see that Google Map. So I hope you are seeing how we are able to embed this Google Map to our website, and that's the King's College Google Map you are seeing on the screen being embedded. So you can increase the width to make it very long to cover the width of your browser. So I can make this to be, let me say, 1500 pixels. So let me refresh the browser because I've increased the width of the Google Map. So let's see that on the screen. So you can see that I have increased the width of Google Map. So this is how you are able to, this is how we're able to embed Google Map to our website. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and comment on this video, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks so much.